Hey guys, today we're here on a 2019 Harris Grand Mariner 250 with the single lounger IO. So it's a stern drive, not an outboard. A lot of these pontoon boats, you're going to see the outboard on the back, where this one is actually a stern drive. And we'll get to that in a second. But it's powered with the Mercruiser 6.2 350 horsepower motor. So this boat is, the Grand Mariner is like one of the top models for the Harris lineup. And when you see it go up in the models, you're gonna see just thicker, more plush upholstery, some construction differences, and just kind of the overall layout. The trim is gonna be at a much higher level. And one thing you'll notice about this boat that you don't see in a lot of pontoons is it has this water sports tower. So even if you didn't do a single water sport, this looks awesome on the water especially. This has the entertainment, and so you can pull this up. So you've got a little more table space. You have a spot in here where you can put ice for your drinks. You can see the lighted cup holders throughout. This flooring is, it looks like teak. It's actually a bunch of microfibers. I'm not explaining that as well as I should be, but it kind of looks like a beachy teak look, and it feels great, easy to clean up. So anything spills, it's really just soap and water at the most. And then as we come in to the helm station, you have a Simrad screen here, which has, you can bring up different profiles. On the Simrad here, it's showing, will even show the depth in the different coves where you're at. So a very cool, one of the things that Simrad can do, but this has so many capabilities. And then the digital readout, so this boat has a few hours on it, but I can go through here, go to the time, the speed, and then some of the vitals. A nice lockable locker here. This boat's massive, and it's rated for 13, where you look around, like 13 is easy. You can easily bring you and 12 other your friends, a couple of different families, and really this boat is a massive entertainer. So you've got your lights everywhere, overhead lights on the tower, your rope lighting at the bottom of the seat bases, and then storage throughout. And then all these we order with the table, and we just wait for kind of where you all decide best would fit you and your family on where you'd want that table. And then as we look in the back here, not having the outboard, it's you have this nice big platform, and you can jump out, enjoy the water, and not have the outboard here. So it does make this area open up a little bit more and have it to where you can entertain as many people, and this turns into the hangout. A nice deep ladder, 4-step ladder, making it easy for everyone to get in and out of the boat. And then this you can bring back like so, and you have this massive single lounger. You can access the stereo here, and then you do have where you can blow up a tube in the back. You're not in the way of anyone else. And then also you can plug in your USBs to keep a charge to your phones. So that's the rear part. That's the oh, sorry, one more thing I do want to point out. Having these chains and having this, you can actually be back here underway it's considered in the boat, which is a huge feature that people don't always think about when they're looking at their pontoon boats. Easy to get up and down on this back lounger. So yeah, flip up cleats, a nice touch with this stainless steel gate. And testing my patience. There it is. Other things that people don't always see at first glance, you've got a nice big storage area here. So put your phone, put your towel even. I mentioned the storage, but well thought out here where you're not taking up anyone's seating arrangements, but you can store towels in there as well. And then as this comes down, you have a really well thought out changing area. So this pops up like so. Unclip that. I'll come back to that. Armrests throughout. So you can have it where you can easily fit 3 or 4 adults, or you can have it where you've got one nice massive lounger. You do have your recessed cup holders here, and then there is a spot back here for a USB hookup as well. So again, very well thought out. The sound on this is awesome. So you see the GL audio speakers, you have your sub right there. So the sound quality is awesome on this boat, and you do have some rear facing speakers as well. In-floor storage in these boats. So the exterior is the ebony color, and which is the black exterior. Just looks awesome, kind of looks mean, but real aggressive out there, especially with the arch. But come here to the Austin location, Marine Max Sail and Ski, here off 183 in Austin. We've got this 2019 Grand Mariner 250 here in the showroom, powered with the 6.2 Merc Cruiser 350 horsepower motor. This boat is awesome. Don't miss out. Thanks. Thanks for watching this video. Again, my name is Scott Isaacson with Marine Max Sail and Ski out here in Lakeway. We also have 2 other locations, one in Austin off Highway 183 and one down in San Antonio. If you're interested in this boat or any other boats, feel free to give me a call at 219-2712. Again, that's 512-219-2712. Thanks again.